Pasay, also called Rizal City, is a city in central Luzon Island, Philippines, located on the eastern shore of Manila Bay. Pasay is a major residential suburb of Manila and is well known for its nightclubs along the waterfront along Roxas Boulevard. Pasay is densely populated and highly commercialized. Pasay City is the art center of the Philippines. It is home to the extraordinary versatility of the Philippine Cultural Center, a symbol of the cultural development of the country. Gradually, Pasay has become a city of art, artists, foodies and businessmen, in which it is interesting to stay for more than a day pass. Shinjuku is characterized as both a business, entertainment, and shopping district of Tokyo, a kind of stone jungle of high-rise buildings. Shinjuku is the busiest and most famous district of Tokyo. Here are the tallest buildings in Japan and the most crowded train station in the world, through which about 3.5 million people pass every day. In addition, there are many restaurants, stores, and other shopping centers. This place attracts fans of shopping, delicious food, and recreation like a magnet. Shinjuku has everything you want, and a lot of things you don't even know about yet. Dublin is the capital of Ireland and one of the oldest cities in the country, which has the status of a county town and is located where the river Liffey flows into Dublin Bay. Dublin is the capital of freedom-loving Ireland, a city of ancient Vikings, a vibrant and cheerful metropolis. Its fashionable districts with rich mansions and Georgian houses side by side, with numerous pubs and nightclubs, and wide streets and spacious squares with magnificent parks and gardens. The multifaceted city of Dublin knows how to captivate visitors. Thousands of years of historic monuments, unique museums and galleries, and an incredibly surprising atmosphere of independent and proud Ireland. Aachen is one of the oldest cities in Germany. Until the recent past, it was the largest coal center of the country. Today it is a developed and promising place for business. Aachen is a charming, cozy city, a big economical and cultural center with an excellent infrastructure. The atmosphere here is that of real German life, numerous buildings, made in true German style, national monuments, cuisine, and the unique German flavor. Aachen, a modern business city, each year in its luxurious hotels gather the cream of the business from all over Germany. And not only, people come here not only to admire the city scenery, but also to make serious deals. Thank you for watching this video. If you found my video interesting and want to know more about my adventures, please like the WebTV channel and subscribe to it. You can also leave a comment and leave a review. See you, bye-bye.